Hello, welcome to the Online Academy of Dramatic Arts, also known as Oada. I hope you're having a great day. The innovation of Oada is that it is one online platform that provides business skills and acting skills. There is no such company in the world that provides both things under one roof, and you need both in order to be a successful and fulfilled actor. After having evaluated the similar form, similar function, different form, similar function, different form, different function, similar objective companies, the best price for the annual membership of Oada would be $142.82. Oada would be a premium service, which means that there are certain things in the website which are free to anybody all the time. However, if you want to access something in greater depth or personalized help, then you would actually purchase the membership. The print ad, you can see it's an actor with their sides full of notes looking at Oada in order to improve both their acting and business skills. I came up with this word called entrepreneurship because every actor, every artist needs to be an entrepreneur. You have to do your own networking, you're your own boss, you have to do your own financial projections. And um, sadly, there's a lot of very talented people out there who do not make it simply because they don't have the business skills necessary. And yet there are some people that have zero acting skills or very little, but have good connections and have certain business skills that do help them move forward in their career. Oada is here to help both sides so that any actor can become successful and happy.